In this video, we will be providing an overview on our range of single-use sterile diathermy electrodes for precise surgical procedures, which are available in different materials, shapes and sizes. From precision cutting to coagulation, our diathermy electrodes cater to diverse surgical needs with ball, blade or needle shapes, and they are available in standard or non-stick options. Sizes range from 50mm to 156mm. Our micro-dissection needles are designed for precise soft tissue dissection with improved cutting and coagulation performance. They offer sharp and fine tungsten tips, making them ideal for surgeries which require precise and accurate incisions to be performed. Our tungsten-coated loop electrodes are suitable for general diathermy and ideally suited for colposcopy procedures. The high-quality tungsten material allows for greater accuracy and durability during excisions. Various shapes and sizes are available to suit your requirements. All our diathermy electrodes are individually sterile packed and supplied in either packs of 10 or 24. We are committed to our partnership with the NHS to ensure we can offer best value to our NHS customers. You can find our diathermy electrodes on various NHS framework agreements. Trust in quality, trust in efficiency. Elevate your surgical game today with our diathermy electrodes. Contact our customer service team for further information.